Handwriting. It's a silent art. It speaks without a voice. It flows without sound. Every line, every curve, holds a feeling. A part of the soul poured onto paper. Each stroke is intentional, not rushed, not random, but carefully crafted, like a dance between the hand and the heart. It's more than writing. It's expression. It's emotion. It's presence. Calligraphy is not just the beauty of letters. It is the beauty of patience, discipline, and calm. When the pen moves slowly across the page, time seems to pause. The world fades, and it's just you, your thoughts, and the moment. In this stillness, you find yourself. You hear your inner voice. Without speaking a word, every letter becomes meaningful. Every swirl tells a story of calm, of care, of creativity. Calligraphy is not only an art, it is a meditation, a simple yet powerful journey into your own soul. In a world full of noise, this silent art teaches us the value of slowing down, of breathing, of being. Let every line you draw be a moment of peace, a reflection of your inner beauty, a reminder that even in silence you can create something truly powerful. When you write with care, you are not just creating words, you are creating moments. You are building focus, practicing patience, and celebrating stillness. In a world that moves too fast, sometimes we don't need to speak loudly. We just need to express quietly through simple ink, on simple paper. This is not just a hobby, it's healing. This is not just a pen, it's a bridge between heart and hand. So write slowly, let it flow, let it be yours. And remember, in this quiet art, you'll always find peace.